Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to learn machine learning quickly. Begin by understanding core concepts like supervised and unsupervised learning. Dedicate the first 3 to 4 weeks to mastering Python, including data structures and basic algorithms. Simultaneously, familiarize yourself with essential libraries like NumPy and Pandas for data handling. This foundational knowledge is crucial for your rapid progress in the field. For the next 4 weeks, dive into core machine learning algorithms. Explore linear regression, logistic regression, and decision trees. Crucially, apply these algorithms to real-world datasets from platforms like Kaggle. Aim to complete at least 3 to 5 small projects, focusing on different algorithm types. This hands-on practice is vital for building intuition and problem-solving skills. During the final 4 weeks, challenge yourself with more advanced topics. Begin exploring neural networks and the fundamentals of deep learning. Your primary goal should be to complete one substantial capstone project. This project will integrate all your learned skills, from data preprocessing to model deployment. Focus on evaluating your model's performance and fine-tuning its parameters for optimal results. Learning machine learning is a continuous journey. After your initial 3 months, commit to staying updated with the rapidly evolving field. Follow new research, experiment with emerging tools, and engage with the vibrant machine learning community. Consider specializing in a particular domain, such as natural language processing or computer vision, to deepen your expertise. Consistent learning ensures long-term success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.